Hey guys, welcome back. It's Nina here. 今天我想要录一个 cooking vlog, but it's not all about cooking. 因为我最近都比较常录 English learning 的主题，所以我就在想，是不是可以以 vlog 的形式和大家 share 一些比较在厨房常用到的英语。所以今天视频的节奏呢，可能会比一般的 vlog 要慢一些。But I still hope you can learn something new while enjoying my video.
First thing first, coffee. There are heaps of ways to brew coffee at home these days. You can use French press, pour over coffee, espresso machine, so on and so forth. And what I'm using today is this Italian stovetop coffee maker. The reason why I like it is just that it's so iconic and easy to use. For the breakfast today, I'm going to make myself a jammy egg toast. I'll start with the yogurt spread. I'll add this teaspoon of dehydrated raisins to some creamy Greek yogurt and stir it up. After that, I will need to do the jammy egg. Take an egg right out of the fridge and slightly crack the egg so it will be easier to peel afterwards. Then drop the egg to the boiling water and let it sit there for 7 minutes. When 7 minutes up, we're gonna lift the egg from the saucepan and cool it down in a bowl of ice water. Toast a slice of bread in a toaster, and then spread the yogurt dip on it. Once the egg is cooled down, I will peel the skin off and cut it in half. Put the jammy egg on the toast. You can smash the egg down to make it easier to eat. I would like to garnish it with some pea shoots and some drizzle of Tabasco to add some spiciness to it.